Creating a file is very easy with BudgetInMind. Simply click on the new document to open the template view. Then you can select the template you wish to use from a blank template with the minimum required accounts to the most complete template that has a very detailed account structure. Several templates exist, and you should choose the one closest to your personal situation. So let's take, for instance, the income from rent. Once you select a template, the wizard opens and you will be given the opportunity to customize the new account structure. You can first select the accounting language you want to use. For instance, in our case here, we'll use English. First, you want to enter your first name, currency, and year to set the minimum required fields. If you purchase the multi-user or multi-currency modules, you can create several currencies or users directly from this wizard. So let's, in our case, start. Let's call it John. Let's call USD and Euro, for instance, with a comma, if I had the multi-currency module, and just the years, I'm going to add 2013 and 2014. Next, you want to create as many bank accounts, bank institutions as you wish, and for each of those banks, you want to create as many accounts as you have on those banks. For instance, if your bank is called Chase, then you put Chase, a small name, since all your accounts will be prefixed with the bank name. Since it's a US bank, you want to click on the flag and select USA, and the default accounts will appear. So for Chase, let's say I have a checking account, a credit card, and I have a CDU. And let's say I have a French bank, let's call it BNP, for instance, for BNP Paribas. And it's a French bank, and then I have what we call a compte à vue in French, a credit card or an LDD. Finally, you may have to enter additional information function of the template you have. For instance, the name of the company for your wages, or any debts you have, or the first names of your children if you want to follow specific spending per child. So in our case, let's say we have a company, in our case of Turian, and I have a loan on my house. So this will create those accounts. Once you're done, click create and it will create the file. The file is immediately ready for use. You can immediately enter accounts, values, or you can go to your structure and modify it as you wish. As you can see, software and salary or software and RSUs has been added, and then you have some detailed categories, and you can see here all your bank accounts, for instance. You can also save the file. If you come back to the book and click here on the profile, you can shut down the file and you can rename the file, for instance, my accounts. That's it.